Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are continuing the Instagram tutorial. Today I'm introducing how to customize your profile. So first of all, log into instagram.com, log in with your email ID and password or mobile and password, and click on the profile and click on the picture for adding the profile picture. Let me search for a beautiful picture in my gallery. It's gonna be somewhere beautiful pictures. Yeah, since it's a tutorial purpose, I'm not going to change it to my default profile. So you can see the people you're following. If you want to unfollow someone, you can unfollow them, and you can see your followers. You can follow them back. So you can see that under the edit profile option, you have an option to change password, and you can download your name tag so that people can scan the name tag and find you easily. So for example, if someone says that I want to follow you, you just download this name tag and send it to the person that who wishes to follow you. Okay, now let's try to add a phone number. You can provide your mobile number in the add phone number option and click on add phone number. There will be a confirmation SMS. I received the confirmation SMS, so let me put the code and click on done. So this is how you can add your mobile number to the Instagram accounts. Again, click on edit profile. Here you can change your username, and you cannot change your username within 14 days once you changed it. So make sure you're changing the correct one. And here you can provide the website. I'm going to put some random website which does not exist, and you can put your bio. I'm going to put something and email address, phone number already there. You can choose your gender and click on submit. If you want to temporarily disable your account, you have an option there, and click on change password if you want to change your Instagram password. I just don't want to change my password right now, but I just want to show you that you can change the password from the edit profile section. You need to provide your old password and give the new password and confirm the same password to change the password for Instagram. And that's about it. And under the apps and website, if you have logged into any website using your Instagram account, you can see it over here, and you can revoke the permission if it's there. I don't have any application that is accessed through the Instagram account. And here you can subscribe to the emails if you wish. You can get the product news and reminder emails and feedback emails as well. I don't like emails to get from Instagram, so I disabled. And here you can customize who can like your profile, who can like your photos, who can comment, who can like the comment, and like in comments on photo of you. Here you have a lot of option here. You can customize it. IGTV view counts and reminders. If you don't want, you can disable it. Instagram direct, you can disable it if you don't want. That's done. And manage contacts. This, when you are logged in with your mobile, it will sync the contacts in your mobile, and you can see the people who have added their mobile on their account. And here the activity and story sharing options. If you want to add automatically the photos of you can choose it, and if you want to add manually, you can choose that option as well. And if you want to download the data, you can download it. This one I will be discussing in another video in detail. Privacy and security, it's a very important topic. And here you can see the login activity. You can see there is an active session on Windows from Dubai, and there was a session 12 minutes ago, Dubai. And emails from Instagram. City about security and login in the last 14 days. Here you can see that if there is a security breach or something, so there is no way to get a security breach because it's I don't have an account before, I just created the account. So this is how you can customize your profile. I'll be discussing more topic on Instagram in coming videos. I believe this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Subscribe the channel, click the bell icon for notification. Take care, goodbye.